The Datasets screen is one of the most used screens on the PRC 700. To begin, it is important to understand what a dataset is. A dataset is a pressing motion profile. In simple terms, it is a part-specific program. You, the user, will define all the various press parameters for the part, and that will become your dataset. The PRC 700 control is equipped to store 200 individual datasets which are easily retrieved through either manual methods or barcode scanning. To open the dataset page, double-tap on the lower left quadrant. You will see all the previously saved datasets in list form. In the lower right corner, you will find 3 icons. These icons are Load Dataset by Name, Load Dataset by Number, and Create a New Dataset. For new parts, tap on the Create a New Dataset icon. You will see a window appear to manually enter the information. If you utilize barcodes, you can scan the barcode to automatically enter the information. The information lines are groups, name, ID, and notes. When you press inside a cell, a keyboard will appear on the screen to input the information. Groups are useful for parts which require different tooling and multiple pressing actions. It is not a requirement to input anything in this cell, and if you select not to input anything, the PRC 700 will place the dataset in a general folder. Name is for the name of the dataset. Make sure this is spelled correctly, so it matches all other documentation for this part. ID is a numerical ID. You can manually give it a specific number, or the PRC will number the new dataset in the sequential order the control is currently following. Notes, just like groups, are not a mandatory field. Notes can be helpful for other users of the press looking for more detailed information. Again, before tapping OK, ensure that all the cells contain the correct spelling and are numerically accurate. To finalize the creation of the dataset, press OK. In the header screen, you will see the name of the dataset currently loaded. If the correct dataset is not loaded, you will have to locate the correct dataset and load the correct dataset. You can load the correct dataset by name by clicking on the corresponding icon. You can load the correct dataset by number by clicking on the corresponding icon. Or you can manually scroll through the dataset list. If scrolling, you will have to tap on the circle next to the correct dataset. Once you tap on the circle will turn green, giving a visual indication the dataset is loaded. Additionally, the dataset name will now appear in the header screen. You are now ready to begin pressing the parts for that specific dataset. If a change is made to an existing dataset, the icons will change from green to orange. To save the dataset, press and hold on the dataset name. Then press Save in the pop-up window. In the pop-up window, you will find more options than the Save option. Edit allows you to edit the group, number, name, or note of that specific dataset. Copy gives the user the option to create a duplicate, or copy of the dataset selected. Delete gives the option of deleting the selected dataset. Load is an alternative way to load a dataset.